Welcome back, everybody. Today we got another hard reset for you. Today we are doing the BLU View Speed 5G. And if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is, you have to do a hard reset. I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. And just a heads up, guys, we got a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. We'd appreciate all the support. But otherwise, let's get into this. First thing you're going to do is make sure that the phone is off. In this case, it is. And then we're going to have you have your volume up, volume down, and power. And we're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. Well, and then once the phone turns off, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume up. All right, so phone turns on, keep holding volume up. All right, you get the no command screen. From here, you want to hold the power button and then tap volume up. And then you want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button to confirm, excuse me, and then confirm again. And then we can reboot the system, and then we hit enter again, and that will turn the phone back on to the welcome screen once it's done, loading everything up. So that is how we do a hard reset on a BLU View Speed 5G. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to let us know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.